What do we need? They need to lighten the load. So I'm going to tell you something, and I think this is going to hit home for all of you. Okay? Because effort is executive load. It's what it is. So for a neurotypical child, now remember, none of this is, what's the word I'm looking for? None of these are absolutes. But for the neurotypical child, when we go to them, do your homework, it's equated to one task, do my homework. When we use that same thing for our neurodiverse students, here's what happens. It is 12 invisible tasks. And I've broken it down for you all. So I tell my child with EF challenges, go do your homework, and here's what they have to do. Count with me, find it, remember instructions, estimate time, prioritize, sustain attention, manage my frustration, transition away from preferred activity, resist my distractions, self-monitor. What does that mean? Am I paying attention? Am I reading? Am I understanding what it is I'm supposed to be doing? Pace my energy, organize my materials, and turn it in. That's 12, and I guarantee there's more. So what you might see is, anybody want to take a guess what you might see? You barely tried. And what your kid is saying to himself, I just ran a freaking cognitive marathon. Tell me if that resonates. Tell me if that's hard to hear. I think it's very hard to hear because it's all invisible. So we need to lighten the load. We need to chunk it down. We may need to make sure everything that we are asking or is being asked of them, that there is no vagueness, none of it. It needs to be task-oriented, specific. Is it doable? Do they understand? And we need to make their effort visible and finite.